Come, let's fly over Spur Tree Hill. Real estate investors, enthusiasts, all those people that are concerned about what is taking place in Jamaica. Going forward, I'll be doing a series of videos for those affected areas. So if you want to see your area, you can just comment in the comment section where you want to see. But I'll be traveling to a couple places and see if I can document what is going on eerily, and I will see if I can do underground content too. So you can subscribe to the channel and share it with friends. Alright, so I'm going to show you what Spur Tree look like right now, and I can say that this is a good place to invest in real estate, because the whole of St. Elizabeth blow down and Spur Tree will barely get touched. Mark, the trees them get damaged and wrangled, but the buildings based on what we see so far, them look alright. Alright, so I'm gonna just watch the video to the end and I will tell you what's going on momentarily. Drop a like on the video. Alright, enthusiasts, so this is the top of Spur Tree Hill. So all these homes are perched on the top. You know, like when you're going up Spur Tree Hill and there is an avenue on the left. Yeah, this is where it leads to. Alright, you can see here, so this place come like it hide from the hurricane, because even the trees them look alright to me. You understand? And as you can see, there are some nice homes around this area. And I've seen a lot of ads on social media stating that there are land spaces around here for sale. Alright, so I'm going to see if we can update them upon that too. And I tell you, say the land reasonable too. Because if you try to move into Mandeville, you know, say you look for your 13 and 15 million for less than quarter acre. But here, so it starts at 7 million. Alright, so this is a very nice place to invest in. In my previous video, which I'll be posting in the comment section, it will be pinned at the top of the comment section, alright, so you can check it out. So in my previous video, I showed Santa Cruz and the condition of the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. See? I'm going to tell you, say, Santa Cruz, all that devastated, because I thought it was devastated based on what me see, but I venture out further into St. Elizabeth and I tell you, say, them damages there are serious damage. Alright, and the people them down there have to live like back in the dark ages, because Hurricane Melissa did a number upon them. I never know say hurricane can mash down all wall. Even wall get damaged. I mean brick wall. So you must know. But based on my assessment, I realized that the type of roofs you put on can determine the outcome of how you survive a hurricane or how your building survive a hurricane. Alright, so the shape of the roof and all those things can determine how well the structure will survive. Alright, I'm going to show you the type of roof that is best to survive hurricanes. See, based on what I see. As we say, people, on stay tuned so you can see the roof that I would recommend anyone building a home should pitch up. See? So what you're seeing now is Spur Tree Hill in its entirety. So these are all of the corners and everything from this perspective. And the trees them were normally green, but as you can see they were mangled. Alright, so this is what the state look like right now. But based on my flying over this area and driving in this area, I don't see any building get destroyed or they lost the roof or anything like that. It's just holes in the road and like the gutters were destroyed. So you know, so the gutter them like there are some place like gutters, ocean and them places them destroyed. Alright, so those are the only concern for that area. Santa Cruz now, the rooftop them gone selectively, it seems. As I said to you, it depends on the type of roof we have. Zinc can't save you again from them type of hurricane and them storm. Alright? So you see, if you perch your house on a hilltop, the best roof you need to have is tile. Alright? I'm gonna show you what it look like. So just stay tuned for that. Alright people, if you make it this far in the video, you see that roof you see on the left of the video, that's the best type of roof to have, especially if you're perched on a hill. The one on the right is also good, alright, but the absolute best one is in the middle. That one you see in the middle is the best one. Alright, so you know what to do going forward. If you don't have a slab top, you know you have to perch a little roof and make sure it's a tile or loop over shingles. Alright, and this area I'm flying over right now, this area is what you see all over social media like Facebook and them places stating that there are land spaces here for sale and them start like $7 million and up. Alright, so and a big land space too, you know. As you can see, it's a virgin land, so you know say nothing no plant here, nothing no, you understand? It wasn't mangled by people. Them just start cut road and everything in this area. So people, remember to like, share, subscribe, now post some other videos of other areas, so stay tuned.